Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together with another educational video. We will talk about the YieldYak swap platform today. But before we start, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on any opportunities such as upcoming pre-sales and airdrop chances. YieldYak is a decentralized exchange built on the Avalanche network, and for that reason, it is cheaper regarding the gas fees compared to Ethereum network platforms. YieldYak enables users to swap between cryptocurrency assets listed and non-listed on the centralized crypto exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. To use this platform, we need to have a MetaMask wallet. And if you don't know how to use a MetaMask wallet, I will drop the tutorial link for how to open a MetaMask wallet under this video. You can check it. After connecting our wallet, we need to confirm the access request that pop up on our MetaMask. And now we are connected. The YieldYak exchange uses its own token called YAK, and the current YAK price is $244. Yes, it is expensive, and one of the main reasons is that there are only 10,000 YAK tokens circulating in the market, which makes it more valuable as it is a rare asset. And here we have the contract address for the YAK token. We can copy this address and add it to our wallets. If you are unfamiliar with this platform, you can also check our CoinMarketCap tutorial videos, which you can find the links in the description below. Regarding transaction fees, the Avalanche and Binance Smart Chain network-based platforms are much cheaper than other decentralized swap platforms such as the Uniswap, which is built on the Ethereum network. To swap coins or tokens, we need to hold some amount of AVAX coin to pay the gas fees. For each transaction, a user pays approximately between 50 cents to $10 depending on the network usage. However, this price can increase up to a bit depending on the size of each transaction and the free space of the network. The main idea of this platform is to swap tokens that cannot be found in every crypto exchange, and for that reason, decentralized swap platforms are highly used by the crypto community. But why should we use YieldYak? Sometimes you may be exchanging two tokens that do not have liquidity on the same DEX simultaneously. For example, you want to trade from YAK to ALK. Liquidity pairs involving YAK are on Pangolin, Trader Joe, Lydia, etc. However, these decentralized exchanges have minimal ELK liquidity, and in that case, a direct swap from YAK to ELK on these platforms would result in a huge loss. YieldYak swap detects all these possible multi-step execution routes for comparison and offers you the best price available. You can execute it with just one click on YieldYak swap. The transaction would pass through the required smart contracts and finish the swap. We can see the top gainers and losers listed for today. And at the bottom, we can access their social media accounts such as their Twitter, Telegram, and Discord channels. And by doing so, we can learn the latest news related to the Avalanche network and its assets. In this case, it's YieldYak. On top of the page, we have these swap, farm, earn, and boosts options. We can swap our tokens by typing their names on the search box or from the list. And we can set the amount after selecting a coin. And also we can switch the locations of the coins by clicking on this middle button. If we click on the farm button, we have a variation of 135 tokens here. By depositing our LP tokens, we can earn extra tokens in some of these farms such as VJO, VPTP, and Super Farm tokens. We can generate liquidity in one of these farms and earn liquidity provider tokens. We can see the total value locked as of today, which is $52.7 million. We can see how much liquidity is provided in each of these farms and the interest rates that each farm offers. To generate LP tokens, you need to select which two cryptocurrencies you would like to combine to get an LP version of that one specific token. For example, you can combine KTE and AVAX coin, or you can combine Fly and AVAX, or you can combine Lost and AVAX, or you can deposit your stable coins. But why should we provide liquidity to any of these farms? By providing liquidity to the farms, we can earn additional annual rewards, and by doing so, we get rewarded by the system depending on how much liquidity we provided and how long we hold that liquidity in the system. Ergo, we have these different APY options. As others would buy or sell our provided tokens, we receive some of their transaction fees as payment. However, as the liquidity in any farm changes, our provided liquidity tokens can decrease or increase. For example, today you may see 10 tokens in your wallet, but it can be 8 or 12 tomorrow. And as the price price of each token can increase or decrease at any second, your provided token value might also decrease or increase in that given time. We can change our filters to all farms, hub farms, or my farms, or we can select the other platforms in the Avalanche ecosystem. We can also change the filters to see the top APY offers, and we can stake or harvest our tokens in any of these farms as long as we have the necessary liquidity provider token for that specific farm. We have an earn button with two options. We have YieldYak and ARC options. Let's start with the YieldYak. By staking YieldYak tokens, we can earn AVAX coins each week. And also we can earn YieldYak tokens. Its current APY is 11.7% and there are currently 6,500 YieldYak tokens are staked in this pool. As I said earlier, there are only 10,000 YieldYak tokens in the market and almost 7,000 of them are staked in here. YieldYak devised a novel way of staking your yield. This allows you to auto-compound your YieldYak liquidity provider positions and earn protocol revenue by staking auto-compounding asset. You can earn stacked yield by staking an auto-compounding LP position, and in this way you earn a yield on the underlying farm and again on the YieldYak staking. So basically you can deposit assets to receive LP tokens and deposit LP tokens into YieldYak farms to receive auto-compounding assets, and you can stake those auto-compounding assets into YieldYak stake to receive AVAX coins. Now let's check the ARC option. YieldYak fees are collected by the YieldYak fee collector, a special treasury wallet that allows anyone to see the platform earnings in one place and distribute them according to the network configurations. Fees in the YieldYak fee collector contract can be distributed by anyone using YieldYak ARC. YieldYak ARC automatically converts and distributes fees to designated payees. It goes as 70% to Master YieldYak, 15% to Treasury, and 15% to contributors. These fees are collected mostly in wrapped AVAX coins, although from time to time other tokens may also be collected. The conversion of these tokens into wrapped AVAX is not currently handled by YieldYak ARC. Rather, an admin account handles token conversion regularly. Here we have the boost button with again two options. Let's start with YieldYak Joe. When Joe is generated from VJoe boosted farms, a percentage of rewards are compounded back into the underlying farms as per YieldYak's usual approach. The new VJoe farms are unique because a percentage is also reserved to mine VJoe and percentage is distributed to YieldYak Joe stakers. Currently, the distribution split is 85% compounded, 10% into Joe Vault and 5% into YieldYak Joe stakers. These ratios are the subject to change of the health of the ecosystem. And on the YieldYak Platypus, when the PTP is generated from the stablecoin pools and reinvested, 80% will be compounded back into the underlying stablecoin asset, 10% will be staked into the PTP vault, and 10% will go to the YieldYak PTP stakers. In our next video, we will learn how to use the Avalanche NFT portals. If this video was simple and educational enough for you, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and follow our other social media accounts such as our Telegram channel to not miss out on the latest news and upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.